everyone, welcome to Spilled Paint Furniture Flippers. This is just to show you what can be done with a mid-century modern piece like this. It looks really, dated, kind of dingy, not really modern at all. However, wait till you see what can be done. It's incredible with a little bit of vision, hard work, and some elbow grease. It's amazing what you can do. And here it is all done. What do you guys think? Leave us a comment so we know what you think and give us any ideas that you might have for future pieces. Anyhow, this one sold quickly and it was already delivered to its new owners today and they were really happy with it. So stay tuned for more videos like this, but longer videos as well, and showing you how we take vintage, antique, mid-century modern furniture, transform it, give it a new life, keep it out of the landfill, one piece at a time. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Bye for now.